Hey guys, I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix your PC did not start correctly. When you see your PC has not start correctly error, it indicate an interruption in the Windows boot process. The first step you should take is simple, but it can often resolve temporary error that maybe create the problem. Restart your computer. This is the most direct and simple step. Observe whether Windows boots successfully after restarting. Trying to restart an essential first step because it determines whether the problem is permanent or just one-time issue. If your PC successfully boots into Windows after restarting, you can continue using your computer as normal. However, the PC failed to boot after different attempts, you will need to try more advanced troubleshooting. So fix the problem, repair the boot configuration data. If the boot configuration data corrupted, your system may not be start properly. Here is how to repair the BCD. From the error screen, go to advanced option, then go to troubleshoot, then go to advanced option, then go to command prompt. At the command prompt, type the following command, press enter after each command. Type the command bootrec space slash fix mbr and hit enter. The next command is bootrec space slash fix boot. Then hit enter. The final command is bootrec space slash rebuild bcd. Then hit enter. After running this command, restart your computer to see if the problem is resolved. After command is complete, then exit the command prompt. After computer is turned on, I hope the computer will start without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.